Greetings everyone, my name is Alex and welcome to Crypto Gains. The market has shown signs of recovery in the last, let's say, 10-12 hours. Hopefully this momentum will be kept in order to form a higher bottom. Let's go ahead and check some news. Bitcoin Island. Seems that this dream will become a reality. A British property investor plans to turn a South Pacific island into a real-world paradise for all of the Bitcoin holders. It's a good thing to have. Hopefully we will get more islands that will do the same thing. Look at this place. It's amazing. Now let's go over SNX. There is a chance that SNX will rebound to previous levels. It has lost a lot in the past week. Maybe we will see a recovery towards the $10 area as it is its primary resistance. And also some news from Ethereum. It seems that there are some price predictions floating around for 2022 according to finder.com. It can be 7,600. However, I think the real price would be 6,500, $1,500 over from its previous all-time high. However, it depends on a lot of things, and of course the 2.0 launch as well as other Ethereum-based projects, what they will do this year. Now let's go over the charts. We'll be discussing Bitcoin, Ethereum, SNX. I selected Enjin because it also had lost a lot in the past week, and of course a surprise at the end, rose, which I strongly think it will rebound. Let's go over and check the charts. For Ethereum, look at this spike. We can go in long at this very level, since this is an important level. We can go in long here if you wish, or you can go on the next level. However, this level, I think we will see something like a sideways trading between these two price frames. So we can go in long at 43,850 or in that region, take our first profit towards 44,150, remove and aim higher with confidence to 44,825. A stop loss can be considered around this level, 43,740. If this falls underneath, the price falls underneath, we can go in short 43,430 and take our first profit towards 42,990 with a stop loss in case the price will pull back to 43,590. However, I think after this strong rebounds, I think we will see some sideways trading in this price frames, and then hopefully if for example it falls, we will see it here. However, this is a strong let's say resistance that it needs to break before moving up. Now let's move over to Ethereum. Look at the charts. They are incredible. We can go in safely. I will not get in this region. I will wait until the price will reach 31.30 and take my profits all the way up to 32.50 with a stop loss at 3100 sharp. If it falls underneath this level, we can go in short 3000 sharp and take our first profit towards 29.58 with a stop loss here at 30.27. However, I think it will reject this level, right? And we can initiate some sideways trading within this particular price frames over here. I will put my mouse over them for you to check them. So between 3000 sharp up to let's say 31.25, I think we will see some sideways trading happening because after a strong spike we need to see some consolidation, and look over here, we had some consolidation in the past, so this level is important, so a sideways trading can happen. Now let's move over to SNX. Like in the news, it has lost a lot let's say in the past week. However, this is a strong shot because we have a higher bottom over here which has hit perfectly with the consolidation which has happened over here. So we can go in long at this level even though it's testing it, 4.82, take our first profit towards 5.08, remove and aim higher towards the 5-point area because it will definitely try to hit this this zone as well. If it falls underneath, of course we can go in short 4.56 and take our first profit towards 4.38 with a stop loss at 4.65. However, I think also here between these two price frames, so between 4.8 and 5. Let's say 1, we will see some sideways trading. Why? Because look, it has some consolidation in the past as well. Now let's move over to Enjin. Enjin has an incredible run. Look at this incredible pullback. It is absolutely amazing how much power it has actually. We can go in long in a safe way at 1.93 and take our first profit towards 2.05 with a stop loss here at 1.92. If it falls underneath this level, we can go in short 1.85, take our first profit towards 1.80 with a stop loss at 1.87. However, again, after this strong pullback, I think we might see some sideways trading in this particular price frames as well, because look, it has to, let's say, test this, let's say, previous resistance, and now it's becoming a support line. And of course, this is the next level, as we can see, let's say, a previous support, which has become, in this case, a resistance. So I think we can make some money trading this particular price frames over here. Now let's move over to Rose, the surprise of the day. I really like this financial instrument, and look, if I'm going to scroll, look at my my data here, it is a strong support line, what has happened now. However, on a safe side, we can go in long at 0.32, take our first profit towards 0.346, remove an aim higher towards 0.379, with a stop loss here at 0.314. If it falls underneath again, right, we can go in short 0.299 and of course take our profit towards 0.28 with a stop loss 0.33. However, if it goes over this particular level and it stays there for at least 20-30 minutes, I strongly believe it will try to reconquer the 0.39, 0.4 level. So immediately 25% profit if that will happen. Don't worry, all of the entry points can be identified on this video. Make sure to check our Telegram channel, because you'll receive a lot of interesting stuff, news, and of course grant yourself access to the restricted group. Only $50 deposit and you'll be granted access to our algorithm robot, and as well as my personal, let's say, signals. I wish you a great day. Thank you for watching Crypto Gains, and remember, use the strong gain levels to maximize your profits.